So, yesterday it was more like a shopping spree. I actually wanted to vlog the day, but I could not because I forgot the camera and everything at home. But yeah, I just have few snippets where we had like a nice lunch. So we were in Chandigarh, and of course, then we went to the mall and so something about me that you guys probably know is I love shopping, that but I love to shop online. I feel that's so convenient rather than standing in the queue, waiting for your turn to kind of go and try it out and stuff. And I know my size, I know what fits me. So I usually shop online and not in store, but very rarely, maybe in a year, say twice or thrice, I go to the store and then I shop, which is that's Sitara making noise. So I picked few things that I wanted to show you from Zara. First is this beautiful cord set. I was just putting them in the hanger. So this is a cord set. Wait, let me show you. I think it's not online yet. I love this cord set. The top is pretty loose on me. It's size small, but I still feel it needs a little alteration, especially the shoulder bit. So I have to get this altered. And my mom used to alter all my clothes. So yeah, I guess when I go to Bangalore or so, I'll just tell mom to alter this for me. Yes, yes, baby. Yeah, we'll show your clothes too. Okay. And then I got this beautiful cord set. Just because Sitara has something like this from Zara as well. So I thought it'd be so nice to have some twinning. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Here. So I thought it'd be so nice to twin with her, to have something similar that we both can wear. And it's so nice for summer. I love the summer collection going in Zara, especially the kids section. There's so much. But I just picked so many clothes for Sitara. So I just picked few for her. But online, there's so much that I've seen I want to add to cart. Yeah, so I thought I'll just go back home and first see what she has and then place an order. And then next comes this beautiful shirt. Yes, baby. So this is a olive green shirt. I don't have anything in this color and I thought it looked so nice. It's just amazing for summer. It's very light and like, airy fabric. And then we have this shirt. I have a lot of shirts, but it just always comes handy. This baby pink shirt with this white detailing, which I liked. I just feel I'm gonna use it a lot this summer. And then what else do we have? Oh yeah, and I have this top. I love the fitting of this top. So this is in the size extra small. I just feel it screams summer, and I can wear this with like a denim or a white trouser, a linen pant. It looked just fab. And then let me show you what I got for Sitara. So this is this little dress that we got. I just love it. How cute is this? This very day dress. And then of course I got her like a denim shorts. This mom shorts basically. Yeah, the waist is still loose on her. But yeah, we'll make it work. And this t-shirt that she can wear with it. I think it looks just super cute. Of course, do you want to show your Crocs that you got? So she's also upgraded to one size large in her footwear. So we got this amazing Crocs for her. I love this detailing. Do you see that? It has this little glitter and star. So she is in size 5 now. So earlier she was wearing size 4 and she's outgrown that. And I already have size 6 and I have size 7 already in stock. I think you guys know how I, just ordered the wrong size, like two wrong sizes, and I could not return it. So I thought, okay, let it be. But I didn't have size 5, which is her current size. Also, I have 2 more packages coming today from H&M. I have shopped like a psycho there and I'm waiting for my husband to leave the house. So I've just told the delivery guy. So I've just told the guy to come like maybe in an hour or so because he is going to get mad if he sees me that I've shopped online as well. So let's hope he goes out on time so I can have those packages in. He's gonna go. He's just getting ready to head to work, and then I'll show you those once it arrives. I ordered a tote bag, which I feel it's so good that I can use it for every day to day activities because, firstly, I'm done carrying the diaper bag, especially when I'm traveling. I just feel because now she doesn't need so many things, like, she needs two diapers just for a change if you're out, and wipes and some snacks. That's it. So I feel having a tote is more comfortable because I can have my stuff and her stuff rather than carrying two different bags. And yeah, and also sometimes when you wear a good outfit, you don't want to carry around, like, you don't want to carry the diaper bag around. It doesn't necessarily goes with everything that you wear. So I ordered this Marc Jacob tote in canvas in large size. I was actually thinking of this for 2 months, but I was like, you know what, let me just get it. So I got it from Tata Click. Perfect bag for my day to day life because it has a zip. And I don't know why luxury brands for tote bags don't have a zip. And I hate it because I have two of those bags. I have like two good tote bags, and none of them have a zip. And multiple times when I've gone for especially when I'm traveling, airport checkings, I have lost so many things from my bag. Like, I lost my earpod once, and I lost my card once, from, like, I had this LV tote and it doesn't have a zip. And I feel, what is the point of a tote where just things are falling off? So I feel this Marc Jacob one's plus point for me was that it has a zip, and everything is going to be secured inside, and yeah, like, no one will see the mess inside the bag. Like, I just feel bad you spend like lakhs of rupees on the luxury bags, like, especially, like, on luxury bags, but it's still, sometimes when you think about functionality, it's zero. Like, none of the bags, like tote bags, comes with a zip, and I hate it. And I just see that, sometimes I'm not even using it. So what I do, I'm someone who likes to just give it, like, sell my bags. And I'm someone, if I see my bags just lying there and I've not been using a lot, and it just waste, rather than keeping it, I like to sell it. And yeah, there's a website that I trust, which is Credential Couture. So I kind of sell all my bags that I don't use. I've sold so many of my Coach, Michael Kors, and yeah, like, even the Gucci. I had one Gucci bag even that I sold because I was not using it, rather than just keeping it. And I'm not someone who believes in, oh, just let's just collect the bags for the sake of it. I feel if I'm not using it, it has to go. It has to make space for something what I might use. So yeah, you can check that website if in case you want to sell some of the bags that you don't use. I feel it's more practical. uh, yeah, and you make space for your new ones. But yeah, please, the luxury brands should understand that we need a zip in the tote bag. Especially, trust me, we women, we need that zip because we need to secure things inside. We don't want it to be falling off everywhere. Okay, enough of ranting. Anyway, I'll see you guys once my H&M order arrives. I'm gonna see you guys then, okay? Finally, the packages from H&M has arrived. Let's unbox. Thank God he did not come when my husband was there. Yeah, I got saved. And let's pray that he doesn't see my vlogs. Usually, he doesn't see my vlog. I know it's really sad that he doesn't see my vlog. Unless I kind force him, you need to see, then he sees. Anyway, I'll have to try everything out and see. So I picked this dress up. It's a very nice off the shoulder dress, cotton, linen kind of a thing. Detailing, it has this lace detailing and this balloon kind of a dress. I don't know. Let's see. Now, honestly, I am in a weird place where I don't know what size fits me because my pre-pregnancy jeans is loose now. So my weight has been the same. Like, there's no changes in my weight. It's the pre-pregnancy weight, but I guess I'm losing inches because obviously now I'm working out, I'm losing fat. And I know further there can be an increase in weight because of obviously once I start gaining muscle. But then I have definitely lost inches. So even my jeans The one I used to wear earlier is pretty loose on me. And yeah, I got this cover up trousers that I can wear, like, when you're on the beach. If you're wearing a bikini and stuff, you can just use this. I feel it's really nice cover up. So I got this. So this is from the first package. Now let's open this huge one. Here we have successfully opened it. Now let's see what all I have ordered. Like sometimes, especially when I'm ordering from sale and stuff, I just add to cart and place an order. I don't even know what I order. Okay, I know what is this. This is a nice white top. I think it's a nice summer top that I can wear. Oh wait, and this mic, it's so heavy that, okay. And then I ordered this. I've never shopped my jewelry stuff from H&M. I don't know, this was cute. I thought I should maybe try it out. So I have this piece. It's actually looking nice, but I don't know the quality. I'll update you guys if it gets tarnished or something. Oh yeah, and of course I've got some bikinis. I've got some swimwear because I don't know. In my head, I've already have my vacations planned, and honestly, I just wanted to add, few, um, like few pieces in swimwear in my wardrobe. Now that I'm literally working so hard at gym, I think I'll be more comfortable, like wearing at some point if or when I take a vacation. And of course, so there's one thing about me, no matter I buy shades like from Prada or whatever, I love H&M shades or Zara shades. I mean, I'll tell you why. One main reason being I lose my stuff real quick, especially the shades. So when I lose this, I don't feel bad, you know. So, and also for styling videos and everything, I think this comes really nice. Let me see how is this looking. Let me know if I should keep this or no. And then what else do we have? Okay, we have one more cover up. This is a skirt. This is a skirt. So, obviously you wear your bikinis inside and this like a cover up skirt. There's a lot of swimwear. Okay, and there's obviously the bottom part which goes like under this, and then the top. And I have my daughter standing there and watching me unbox all of this. And this is the tube bikini top. I love it. I feel it looks so nice once you style them together. And then I think some basic t-shirts, because like when I have to just run around with Sitara, I feel I reach out for t-shirts more. So no matter how stylish or how much I follow fashion and stuff, my comfort or the one that I reach out when I don't want to think much is a jeans and a cute top. I mean I'm that person who loves her jeans. Look at this, it's like a brown cord set, so I can wear this with the brown bikini that I showed you earlier, like if in case I want to wear it like that. And the shorts, it comes with the matching shorts. Yeah, it's nice. I have to try it out. And then what are you doing? I have to keep an eye on how you go. So I really need to do something with my hair. I'm just so not happy. I'm bored of coloring. I really want to get some treatment on my hair, but I don't want to. I'm just tired and bored of just tying my hair always. And I don't like open hair, so I'm so confused. I want to go back to getting like my hair like really short. So I had like a bob, like a really short bob or a boy cut, you would say. I'm talking about, so when I met my husband, that was my haircut, like, little like a boy cut, and he loved it. And he always kind of says, if you want to go back, you can. And I know for a fact I'm going to go back to that because I don't know, it did suit me well. And yeah, it was just nice to feel light, I think I'll do that sometime. I think in a year or two, I'm very close to getting my hair like chop chop and go back to having that really like a short bob or a boy cut. And then I got this denim dress. I don't know, it looks loose. It's size small. Let me wear this and see. H&M sizing is something I won't get it. Like, you know, sometimes it's tight, sometimes it's loose, mostly loose. And then I got this basic white top. Yeah, so that's all, you guys. So that is all I shopped. So I'm gonna go try it out and see what to keep and what to return. Yeah, and that is all. There's no more haul to show. Do I have anything coming? No, I don't think so. The only thing I think now I have is the bag, but it is going to take time uh, because it shows it's shipped, but I don't see any update after that. So anyway, let me go try this out and see you. So I did mention the last time that I ordered a tote bag from Tata Click. So let's unbox it now. Abhi, that's papaya. You like it? Are you guys excited? So this is going to be like a cool diaper bag. And I think an expensive one. Wow, I love the packing. Just look at the packing, you guys. And don't mind Sitara's just being cranky. Here you go. Woohoo! Okay, so Tata Click. I think Darby's is on Tata Click. I don't know how does this thing work, but anyway, how nicely they're packed and sent. The warranty card and stuff. Uh-huh. I love the color. Wait, I thought it's gonna be much bigger. But I think this is a the largest size. I love it. Do we like it? Finally, I just feel I have a cute bag to carry around and not. So let's just remove all this stuff. So here you go. I love how spacious it is. So it has like a pocket here. You can see. Love the quality. I feel you can easily wash this as well. Like, you know, I can give it for dry clean or something. And the best part, it has zips. We want zips in our tote bags. How cool is this? So it's actually few days later. Yeah, actually it's been more than 3 days. This vlog is gonna be, you know, it's going to be covering few days in my life. Let's say this. I think that should be the title of this vlog. Few days in my life. Anyway, I have just gotten ready this casual, you know. I'm heading for the most exciting appointment. It's always exciting until I go and get things done, and then I'm always disappointed. So I'm going to get my hair cut. And I'm just tired of this hair of mine, just tying it always. So the plan of action, you'll know what I'm gonna get, because I really need a change. I want some change. I know what it is, but I don't know. I'm going to this new place again. Like I said, I think in my I don't know, like few vlogs ago, I did mention that in one of my vlogs that I miss my hairdresser back in Bombay. He was the best. He knew my hair, and my hair was thriving like until he was in charge of it. And now I'm still here struggling to find a hairdresser who gets my hair, who understands like what will suit me. So that's the plan of action. So we are heading, and you'll see what I get. I just hope and pray that I don't regret again, because there are hardly times where I am very happy that I did something. Mostly I come back with disappointment and a regret that why did I even try, you know. So yeah, let me just show you my fit. It's very casual, nothing fancy. Just jeans, my ripped jeans. Sorry, just a t-shirt and ripped jeans. And yeah, Sitara is here just playing with the bin. I don't know what fascination she has with bins. Like literally, I need to like wash her hands like at least 10 times a day. Anyway, so let's go. 12:30 is the appointment, and I'm not late. If you know me, I always love to reach there before time. And yeah, it's going to take a lot of time. At least the last time I went to a salon, I was panicking because Sitara was quite small and she was on, obviously, I was breastfeeding and stuff. So getting the color done, and it seemed like torture for me. So today I'm chill. Sweet of my husband, he has not gone to work today. I kind of requested him that, you know what, I'm getting this appointment today because apparently he's this person that I'm going to, he's the best. So getting an appointment with him was a challenge, but I got it. So yeah, he was just sweet enough to stay back home to look after Sitara. So I'm gonna go get this stuff done, and if I'm done early, I'm gonna catch up with my friend for a coffee. So it's just gonna be like mom's day out. Let me tell you that. And this happens very rarely. And this is Sitara who's just playing with the curtains. She loves doing peekaboo here. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, this is like a rare, it's like a rare occasion where I just step out for such a long time. It never happens. I mean, if I step out just hardly for an hour or so, and this time I'm gonna be gone for a long time. You know how long it takes to cut and hair color and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Let's not waste time. I'm back from my I'm back from my hair appointment, as you see. So this is my hair. I obviously went short again. I mean, I had no choice, I had to. And I did this global hair color. I wanted like a balayage kind of a thing. But after going to this salon, I think this guy is really good. He was very genuine. He just told me that, I have a lot of breakage. Obviously, it's very obvious. I always tie my hair like sleek bun. It's obviously, it's putting extra pressure on my scalp, and then I work out with sleek buns, or with all that jumping and everything. So it's very obvious that there's major hair damage, and I was actually shocked to see the breakage. And I was just thinking, oh, it's all new hair growing back. But no, I see it even in the back, there's a lot of breakage. So he did not go for any balayage or any bleach. I had a reference which actually had like a nice highlights. He said he'll not do it. The longest time I was thinking I should get a keratin treatment, not keratin, hair botox. It's the new rape. And I thought, okay, maybe if I do that, I'll let my hair open because I don't know how to style, so it's gonna be easy. But he just told me not to do it because obviously I have never seen any good reviews on hair botox. People have gotten after a few months, they only cry about, the hair is shedding and all of that. So yeah, I knew that, this is not good for me, but somewhere I was like, I'll take my chances. But no, I have gotten keratin in past and I've never had a good experience. So I feel all this treatment is just not good. And that's what the hairstylist told me. Normally, wherever I go for like a blow dry, everyone is always pushing me to get a treatment like keratin or something. But this guy was very honest. He was like, no, you don't need it because you need to repair your hair from within. And this is just like a lamination, to your hair from outside. And it's only going to cause damage. And it was a good day, you guys. I mean, in terms of, it was nice to kind of drive around, listen to music. After the appointment, I went to meet my friend for a coffee. And the best part was, I didn't have to rush. Like the last time I went to the salon, you guys know I almost had a breakdown because, I was late. Sitara had to sleep, and she doesn't go to sleep without being fed and me rocking her. This time she was all well. She was a chill baby with her father. She did not trouble, so there was no disturbance. It was a good day, and I think I should do this more often. Like, step out alone do something like this for fun. Yeah, I'm slowly, feeling it. But also let me know in the comments, do you like this hair on me? Like, do you like it? So if you have like fine thin hair like me, this is the haircut for you. The easy to maintain. Longer hair is not for fine hair, because that will only look it. I mean, that's only gonna make your hair look flat. So I think this is what it is. I am a short hair girly for sure.